Alright, y'all, we're going to run Tanya's Kitchen Helpers Razz. There are 65 spots at $1 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 12:38. It is 12:38. Let's paste our list. We have 65 spots. Alright, so we need a 7 or higher. Alright, we have a 6. That won't work. Another 6. That still won't work. Alright, a 10, a 6, and a 4. That will. Here we go for the first time at 12:38. After the first time, there are 65 items on the list. Lisa is on top. Florence is on bottom. The dice calls for a 10. So here we go at 12:39. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, there are 65 items on the list. Deborah is on top. And Leslie is on bottom. We've randomized 9 times. Dice calls for a 10. Here we go for the last time at 12:39. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 18, Miss Anna Brady, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 65 items on the list, and we randomized 10 times. The dice, a 6 and 4, did call for a 10. Here are all 65 items, 1 through 65. We are done at 12:40. It is 12:40. Congratulations to spot number 18, Anna Brady.